In the age of AI, who will come out on top? Marketers, developers, designers? Number the winners will be the AI generalists. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to uncover the 4 fundamental powers that will define success in the AI age. These aren't just skills, they're superpowers that will unlock your potential and set you apart from the crowd. Peter Thiel, the legendary investor, once told Mark Zuckerberg, "In a world that's changing so quickly, the biggest risk you can take is not taking any risk." This applies perfectly to the AI revolution. To thrive in the AI age, you need to embrace new skills and adapt. This video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to become an unstoppable AI generalist. The first power is build. In the past, building software required extensive coding knowledge. But now, tools like Bolt and Replit Agent allow you to build simple applications with just a few lines of text. Imagine you need a custom tool for your business. With these tools, you can quickly build it yourself without needing to hire a developer. The skill: AI-assisted app development. Learn to use tools like Bolt and Replit Agent to build simple applications. The second power is automate. Imagine creating digital workers that work for you 24/7, automating repetitive tasks. This is the power of AI agents. Skills: no-code AI agent development. Using tools like OpenAI GPTs and Relevance AI, no-code AI workflow automation, using tools like Zapier or Make.com, prompt engineering, API integrations. These skills allow you to create automated systems that work for you, freeing up your time and increasing your productivity. The third power is create. Utilize AI tools like Midjourney, Runway AI, and SoundRaw to generate high-quality images, videos, and music. Skills: AI content generation and AI editing and enhancement tools like Descript and Opus. Unlock your creativity and produce professional-grade content quickly and efficiently. The fourth power is connect. In the digital age, building a strong personal brand is crucial. Skill: AI-enhanced writing. Using tools like Jasper or Claude to improve your writing, structure arguments, and generate engaging content. Connect with your audience, build a following, and share your ideas effectively. I use AI heavily for my own writing, and it's significantly improved my content creation process. Mastering these 4 powers will make you an unstoppable force in the AI age. I've created a free resource guide that outlines the specific tools and resources you need to learn each skill. Find the link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel for more AI tips and insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next video.